Hi everybody. I am on a little early today for Tiny Tip Tuesday because I have something to do this afternoon. So I'm hoping you all catch this either live or later. First, I wanted to thank a couple people for some awesome cards. 2 from friends, 1 from my daughter who, gasp, almost never crafts. She has all the stuff, but she bought me a card, which is actually quite pretty, and I will be casing this with our products. And then this pretty one, and then this one. Aren't they pretty? It's from my dear friend. So those were just some birthday cards I got, so I wanted to share them with you. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I think it was at least a month or so ago, I did a tip on days to remember, and then someone asked me a question about it, and for the life of me, I could not find my video, which is really weird because I thought all my videos stayed on Facebook. So I'm going to do it again. In case you don't remember, I did these 2 birthday cards. They're both June, but I showed you how to get the month straight. Okay, so there is a little bit of a trick to this crazy stamp right here. As you can see, it is all one big stamp. So let me show you how to do this. It was made to go with our ink pads. This happens to be Misty Moonlight, in case you're wondering. And I have a scrap of basic white here. So what you do is, so I want July, all right? So I happen to know, because I looked at a calendar on my phone, that July starts on a Thursday. So if you're looking at this, it's kind of hard to see. Maybe I'll do it on here. If you're looking at this, that would make this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? Because I start mine on Sunday. Or you can go Sunday. Some people do, Monday as the start of their week. But I do Sunday. So I know that this is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So the 3rd is Saturday. And there are 31 days in July. If there were not, I'm hoping you guys can see that without glare. If there were not 31 days in whatever month it was, I would then mask over this part of the stamp. I'd put a piece of tape or washi or something on it before I inked, and then take it off before I stamp. So here's how this works. So I already determined the 3rd is a Saturday, so I'm going to bring my stamp over the width of my pad going portrait size, okay? And I'm going to find the 3rd on my stamp, and I'm going to see that when I set it down, I don't know, I'm going to try to lift this, but we're not having any guarantees here. So if you look, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th is on the ink pad, okay? So that is going to do the whole month. So I'm just going to press it gently. I'm not pressing too hard. And then it looks like I might have pressed a little too hard. And then I'm just going to stamp. Press down. And there we go. I have July stamped and nothing else. So in order to illustrate that a little bit better for you guys, I just whipped this thing together. So please don't think it's pretty, because it isn't. So what I did was I stamped the entire thing. And then I made this crazy window, which is the same width. And look, I even smeared it, but I don't care. This is just an example. And then I cut this window out to be the width of the stamp pad. And again, there's July. So, and I could have stamped the days of the week up there, which actually would have been better if you want to make one of these for yourself. So that's how I know it works. And so like June, okay, this month, it was, the 1st was on a Tuesday. So if you slide over here, and June does not have 31 days. It only has 30. So I'm going to show you what I did, because I was going to show you another tip with this. You could stamp the whole thing out like this, and then you could just cut it to where you want. which is what I did, but I forgot to mask the 31. It's there. So I cut it out, and then I just used some, whiteout tape, which I would not recommend that. Do it the right way. So let me show you what that would look like. I'm just going to do it for July because that's what's already inked. So let me open this back up. And we will pretend that July does not have a 31st. Oh, look at that mess I made. But that's okay. This is just for a sample. So it's all right. So this is already inked up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look at this. You probably have to look at it upside down if you're me. And then I'm just going to tape over. That's still going to show. It's going to show because it's already inked. I would normally tell you to put the tape on first. But I'm going to show you another way to do it. So here we go. I'm going to ink again. So it's the 3rd and the 4th. And now it's easier to do if you tape it first. But I'm just going to put the tape on there. And then stamp over here where it's a little bit cleaner, but not much. Okay. And so now I've got it without the 31. See how the 24 is? That's why it's better to do, it's better to put the tape on first, because then you can be a little more careful when everything isn't all inkied up. Let me see if I can get a better image over here. It's not going to really fit, but I just want to have you get the idea. There. Now see, the 24 works. So, golly, look at that. That ink was wet, and I made a big mess with it. But anyway, that is how you get to your months. So I'm hoping that this explanation was a little bit better for you guys. And like I said, all you have to do is know that this is the whole stamp. You've just got to figure out when, if it's easier for you, figure out what days are Sundays or Sundays or Saturdays. And then this is, like I said, the width of the ink pad. So that's how that works. I'm hoping that this little thing helps and doesn't confuse you more. So imagine this hole is the width of the ink pad. Okay? I hope that helped. Please let me know by commenting below. And I hope that you will share this video with your friends if it made sense to you. You will also notice today that I've redone my contact information. I thought I'd make it all a little bit more uniform. So you still shop at memoryinkers.com. You still email me at memoryinkers@att.net. If you're watching me live, you're on facebook.com/memoryinkers. If you're not watching me live or you're watching me from a share, that's where you want to go to follow me. And the new hostess code for the first part of June is RRY7Q7ZQ. Okay, let me know what you guys think. I hope that this being on too early didn't mess you guys up too much. And I will see you back here for Saturday Sip. I think I have something else that I'm going to pop on. Oh, Thursday, bingo. Thursday night, bingo, 6:30 Eastern Time. Be here. I have mailed everybody's bingo kits and bingo numbers. If you were entitled to that, whether you bought it or you bought some of the packs and you have not received your kit yet, you can watch the video later, but you need your bingo numbers. So reach out to me. I'm going to try and shoot out an email to everybody I have emails for and send you all your bingo numbers so you have them. So if you don't know what bingo is, be here Thursday, the 3rd at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time here at facebook.com/memoryinkers to see how much fun we have when we play bingo and make some really fun cards. Okay, we'll see you guys. Have a wonderful afternoon. Bye-bye.